This week, inside Tarleton Agriculture, we take a look inside the National Officer Candidate Workshop.
Get ready. I think the coolest part for me is I get to know these individuals on a one-on-one basis. I get to work with them. I get to see a lot of things about them. And it's remarkable to see the different stories and the different lives that all come together to be candidates. I mean, every one of these candidates are so different. And I absolutely love hearing their stories and hearing about their lives. It gives me an opportunity to see agricultural education around the country. I've had the opportunity to work with students. Every pin right there is a student that I've spent extensive time getting to know and working with, and it's just a blessing.
There's life outside of the blue and gold jacket, and so overall it builds you as a person, whether or not you're a candidate. And so I'm really appreciative for the rigorous part of it, how jam-packed it is, but there is a set schedule. There's food. Food is always a good incentive. So overall, I've just absolutely loved the experience. I mean, what's there not to love? You get free food, you got great people, and you're working with great people here in Tarleton City.
Those 6 core values are tradition, integrity, civility, leadership, all of you, excellence, and service, something that all of you do. We take those to heart and try to incorporate them into the first conversations we have with our students. We try to tell them if they live by those core values, they'll be successful not only as Tarleton Texans during their time here, but when you graduate, but they'll be successful in life.